So it's bedtime and I just got done washing my face. So I'm going to show you what I love. This is 100% pure, great for taking off eye makeup, which comes off easily when you're using natural eye makeup. I found it always really difficult to get my eye makeup off, but not when you're using all natural makeup. This stuff is really simple, nice, smells great. I'm going to show you 4 of my favorite cleansers. So this one I actually got at Sephora. For those of you who just want to buy something simple, get it quick at Sephora. Kale, green tea, spinach, and vitamin cleanser. It's more of a traditional sort of foaming cleanser, but it's clean. And so Sephora does have a few things there. And if you go on Think Dirty, you'll see a whole section, what's clean at Sephora. So that one I really like. The other one is Luxe. So Luxe 4-in-1. This one actually helps to hydrate and clean and exfoliate. It's actually a really nice product. Super clean, also rated a 0 on Think Dirty. So really like that. Luxe, L-U-X-E. So I'm not typically a fan of cream cleansers, but this one actually feels really nice and does a good job cleaning. Here are my 2 favorites. 100% Pure makes a powder cleanser. Crazy, right? It's literally a powder. You put it in your hand and then you put a little bit of water on it. It like starts to look a little bit like a clay mask. And then you just rub it in, it exfoliates, it's very stimulating, feels amazing. Literally, when you're done, it feels like it's just minimizing your pores, your skin feels just baby soft. And then the other one made by 100% Pure that I love is their fermented rice water cleanser. So this is more of a traditional cleanser, but it's got sake in it, and it ends up making your skin just feel, I can't explain it, it's so soft and smooth. At first I thought it wasn't coming off. I thought my makeup or the product wasn't coming off because it was so smooth. So really love those 2 products. Then after cleansing, I'm not a big fan of like toners and doing extra stuff. So pick one of those cleansers. I'm trying them all out. So I actually, those out of all the ones I've tried, those are the 4 I really like, but I still am leaning towards the 100% Pure as my favorite. Then I use the 100% Pure eye cream. Love it so much. It smells like coffee. It's ridiculous and it feels so good. So love 100% Pure. So far their products are just probably my favorite overall. I've found several products for like individual things, like certain hair products, but as a general rule, 100% Pure really knows how to make product. They have their serum. So they've got their PM serum is wonderful. It's like an anti-aging serum. So I'm going to put that on my skin. And then, oh, it smells amazing. It smells like oranges. So I just kind of put that all over. I like to put it on my neck too. So I have a problem with the skin on my neck ever since my surgery. Nothing I do is going to actually tighten that skin up because it's damaged. But I at least want to keep it, do the best I can to make it look good. And their night cream. It's fantastic. So their night cream, it's an anti-aging, antioxidant cream, and it just feels so good. They also have a vitamin C mask that I really like. So highly recommend that. And there you go. That's the nighttime routine. If you guys have a product that you really love, I would love to hear about it. We can share it with the community. But do me a favor, make sure it's at least a 3 or less on Think Dirty. We want to make sure it's a green product. So get the app Think Dirty, check it out. And if you have a product you absolutely love, please share it. And if this is helpful to you, like this, subscribe, and share it with someone you care about. Thanks.